Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to turn off birthday notification on Facebook. Friends, we all use Facebook, but due to some reason if you want to stop birthday notification on Facebook, then you need to press on these three lines on the top right side corner of the screen. Now here scroll it little down. In the bottom you will find setting and privacy. In settings and privacy you will find settings option. Now here scroll it little down. Here you will find notification settings. Now in notification settings you will find birthdays. Here turn off Facebook notifications for birthdays. Now you will receive a confirmation window. After reading, press on turn off. Now friends, like this you can very easily turn off birthday notifications on Facebook. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.